Perfect stick. Right there. Something going out. Tight stick. Good. Want to get down and open that box door, David? Get straight down right on the bottom.
Be careful, you're gonna rock.
Oh,
Got him.
Nice
Nice
him.
shot. Nice shot.
Put the ball right down and use your hand.
Yep. Come right in.
Help him grab that arrow, David.
Oh,
Right in the eye,
right
dude.
to the dome.
Perfect shot. Oh. Yeah, let him.
Got him. Pull it, Scott. Oh, there's another one right there. Right there. Get ready. Right there. Shoot him. Got him.
Get that fish right in the boat. Pull off. Right there, right in front. Two of them. Nice stick.
Yeah.
Perfect stick. Right there.
Oh, right there, Scott. Neutral.
Tight stick.
All right.
Down and over the
Yeah.
box.
Oh. Got it.